Most resort owners think value comes from marketing or branding, pero sa totoo lang, nagsisimula ang value sa architecture. Good hospitality design can increase the long-term value of a resort. Here's how. First, master planning. Kapag malinaw ang layout ng resort, clear arrival sequence, madaling hanapin ang amenities at intuitive ang circulation. Mas comfortable ang guests. Kapag smooth ang experience, mas tumatagal ang stay at mas tumataas ang repeat visits. Second, operational efficiency. Successful resorts plan not only for guests but also for operations. Mahiwalay na circulation ng staff, kitchens, laundry at services area. Pag maayos ang planning nito, mas mabilis ang service at mas mababa ang operational cost. Third, climate-responsive design. Sa tropical countries like the Philippines, architecture should work with the climate. Deep roof overhangs, cross-ventilation, and shaded outdoor spaces help keep buildings cool. Result, less energy use, and better guest comfort. And fourth, flexible room design. Smart resort design villas and rooms that can adapt over time. A room for couples today can become a family suite tomorrow. This flexibility protects the long-term value of the property because great resorts are not just beautiful, they are carefully planned systems that create better guest experiences and stronger long-term return. Kung ready ka na ring i-turn ang lote mo into a high-value resort, comment I am ready down below. Tulungan ka namin simulan ang resort business mo. For more tips on smart property design, follow Architect Brendan and Rufa.